Hey guys, this is David Jones, and this is AOC2 1312, and this is my week 4 project review. So, you can see here, it is up and running. I changed the text or the color. I added a clear button to clear out the events after they're entered, just to clear it up a little bit so it didn't get so cluttered. I'll enter an event. I'll show you. Swipe right. That loads up. I'm going to go ahead and enter an event real fast, and I'll show you that it displays correctly. Close keyboard still works. You can see scrolling to a date back in time, it still resets to today's date, so that's still working correctly. So we'll go ahead and swipe left to close. And you can see the new event is loaded up there. We'll go ahead and add a new event. And you see that they are working. Save button works, an alert pops up. All events were saved. So you can see I can close the event out. See, when I reload my app, the events do in fact come back in. Hit my clear key, they clear out, all events go here, pops back up. Alright guys, so you can see I've got my view controller, I've got my add event view, and then I've got my singleton down here. View controller and add event view are, for the most part, exactly the same as they were last week, with the exception of adding in my singleton functionality and taking out the delegate. So you can see when I save down here, where before I used the delegate in this project, we go ahead and use the singleton, and we get an instance of that, show events, create event. So I'll hop over to my singleton and show you what I've got. Basically all I have, I've got the get instance, which creates the instance, then I allocate it and initialize, and when it initializes, we go ahead and load the user defaults. And then my custom method within the singleton is to show the events by what has been entered. So it pulls from the saved event and combines those into a string, and that's what gets passed to the display events label on my text view. Other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. You can see over here on my view controller. I moved a few things around to get the functionality working correctly. Last week I had my swipe gesture, I had it loading in my view will appear. While I took it out and put it in view did load. So the only thing this week that I have in view will appear is adding the event details from the second view after they're entered through the singleton. Other than that, pretty straightforward this week. Didn't really have too much trouble. I'm still a little fuzzy on the singleton, so I'm going to have to read up some more on those. But other than that, it's been a pretty good week and a pretty good month. Looking forward to next month's class. I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and a Happy New Year. And I will talk to you soon.